For outdoor water reduction, there are two different methods how you can accomplish these prerequisites. The very first one is you don't need water to irrigate your outdoor backyard, whatever you have outside. You don't need water for it, or maximum you're gonna need to irrigate that twice per year. That's one way. And the other way you can do something like that, you can claim that prerequisite is by going 30% down of the baseline for the maximum peak amount of water consumption per month. So you're gonna go, you're gonna diminish by 30%, and you're gonna be in the safe side, and you can claim that you are accomplishing for this. Well, about this specific grade, which is it is not a grade because it's a prerequisite. There is not too much to say except that in a building there are different appliances, right? What type of appliance do we have? We have urinals, we have toilets, we have showers, we have faucets, etc. So LEED gonna provide us with a table. Then you're gonna start looking in that table. Let's say the urinal, and the urinal say that the baseline is. I'm gonna put an example. 1 GPF. 1 GPF is gallon per flush, if I recall correctly. So 1 gallon per flush. So what you're gonna need to do, and whatever you design is, it has to be zero point 0.8 gallon per flush, and that's it. That's the way how you're gonna need to make sure that everything is set up correctly regarding to the indoor water consumption. For the water efficiency category, there are three different aspects that we're gonna evaluate. The very first one is what happened with the water inside of my building. How can I prevent my building to use more water than it should? The second one is how do I use the water outside of my building? And the third one is I have those two prerequisites. So how I make sure that actually I'm accomplished what I'm saying that I accomplished is by installing meters all over my building regarding to the water consumption. So all those three that I just said, they are prerequisites. Let's dive into it. What needs to be done for to accomplish this category and to gain some grades as well. Water metering. This is about uh, proving what you are claiming. So if you are claiming that your water consumption is below the standard, below the baseline, then you're gonna need to prove it somehow. How? By capturing the reading of the water consumption all across your development. That's the way to do it. But LEED is flexible. It's telling us you can do it manually. You can just, if even if you want, you can write down the data, and then you're gonna put it in a computer, in an Excel data sheet, and then you're gonna show us the results every month and every year. Or you can do it simple, and it's just by automating the process, a BAS system. Then you have the water meter, you have those pulses, then you send it via controller, then the controller gonna send it to the cloud, and then you can import the data, and then you can see what is actually happening every minute, every I don't want to say every minute, but at least every 5 minutes in your building, which is way better to have someone just trying to capture the information every day. But LEED is flexible about this because the whole idea is not the technology behind, is about your building saving water.